Mix and Bakes. Today we're making a beautiful paper flower just using paper, glue and a bead. It's super fun and easy. Let's get started. You will need 30 papers, 10 small, 10 medium and 10 large. Also grab some glue and a bead. Step 1. Take your 10 sets of paper and glue them like this. I will show you one set and you can do the rest the same. Step 2. Join your papers together to build a petal. I will show you how to do one and you can do the rest the same. Step 3. You will make 5 hearts. One heart will be made by joining 2 petals together. I will show you how to make one and you can do the rest the same. Step 4. You will join all your hearts together to make your flower. Step 5. Now you will stick the bead onto the flower. And your flower is ready. If you like this craft, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time.